this is Tagbo Waterfall here in the Volta Region. Guys, after hiking the Mount Afajato, I've decided to make it to Tagbo Waterfall, which is going to be my first time. Even though I've been here several times, I always don't hike to the waterfall. So today you are coming with me to hike to the waterfall. It's not a steep hike like hiking the Mount Afajato in my previous video. It's actually like a smooth, calm walk here, just as you can see. Guys, if you haven't seen a cocoa plant before, this is how it looks like. And yeah, this is how the cocoa fruit looks like. And that's a palm tree there. So yeah. And this is also a cassava plant. I know in Nigeria it's common to use cassava leaves for stew. We don't really use that in Ghana. Let me know in the comment section if you've used cassava leaves for your stew before. How does it taste? Does it taste like spinach? Does it taste like kontomire? Let me know in the comment section. This is also another fruit. This is also a baby cocoa plant. And this is a plantain or a banana plant. Yeah. Guys, listen closely. Can you hear the stream? Can you hear? Can you hear? Okay, this is proof that we are closer to the waterfall. I can't wait to get there and show you all how it looks like. It's going to be my first time. Let me know in the comment section, have you been here already? Have you hiked the Mount Afajato and ended up at the waterfall? Let me know in the comment section. When I was up there, I could see the waterfall. It was so beautiful. So yeah, I can't wait to see it. Tagbo Waterfalls is near Mount Afaja, which is located in Latiwote in the Volta region. It's about 4 hours drive from Accra. The water on these waterfalls falls down in several stages, with the last stage of being 60 meters high. The walk to the waterfall after hiking Mount Afaja is about 40 minutes walk. So we are approaching the second bridge and it looks like we are close. I love the water, the fact that the water is so clear and clean. Guys, just look at the beautiful mountain ahead. This one. Oh, it's so beautiful out here. They lied to us when they said it was just 20 minutes walk. It's not, it's more than that. I'm so tired. And especially because I did the Afajato before doing this. I encourage you, if you are not a hiking person, do Mount Afajato on another day and do the waterfalls on another day because this is not easy. Guys, we are finally here. Guys, this is so beautiful. Wow. I'm in love. Would you visit these waterfalls whenever you're in Ghana? Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and join the family by subscribing. After soaking this beautiful view behind, it's time to go back. The same way we came is the same way we have to go back. So let's go. Let me take you through the walk. Guys, let me know, is the view worth coming? Let me know in the comment section. This trip was in partnership with Transit Global. They are organizing amazing trips you should join.